Hello students, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. So here I have started the video lecture series for IIT JEE preparation students, and it's my humble request if you can forward my videos, then I will be thankful to you. So here I am starting video lectures for mathematics, and the topic is complex number. So for understanding the complex number, we will start from solving a quadratic equation. So the equation is x square plus 1 equals to 0. So if we will solve this equation, then x square equals to minus 1. X equals to square root of minus 1, or we can also write like this, minus 1. So now we cannot go ahead from this point, and if we want to remove this under root minus 1, then we need to introduce to one identity, or you can say one extra uh, or we can say one extra icon we need to introduce. So if I assume that icon is small I, and small I has a value of minus 1, so now x will be plus minus I. So the solution for this above equation is equals to x equals to plus minus I. So this I equals to under root minus 1 is from the complex number, and we call it as a iota, and always it has the value of under root minus 1. So if I equals to under root of minus 1, then I square will be minus 1, then I to power 4 equals to 1, I to power 8 equals to 1, and so on. And if I write the odd powers of this I, then I cube equals to minus I to power 5 equals to I, and so on. So this is the basic operation of small I or iota. After that you can find whatever powers of I you want to find. Okay, so now we will see what is the standard complex number. So z equals to a plus bi. So this z is complex number, and a and b are purely real numbers, purely real numbers. And if we write a and b in this form, then the whole number will be called as complex number. So if a equals to 0, then z equals to bi. So it means if we assume a equals to 0 value, then z will be purely imaginary number, and it has no real part. And also if b equals to 0, then z equals to a. So if b equals to 0, then complex number will be purely a real number, and it has no imaginary part. Okay, and so now we will see one IIT JEE problem. So I of 4n plus 1 minus I minus 1 upon. So, so this was the problem asked in the IIT JEE. So equals to I is to 4n into I minus I into 4n comma I power minus 1 upon 2 equals to, so as we know I की power 4 or I की power even is, I की power 4 equals to 1. So we choose this value and use here. So 1 into I minus 1 into I की power minus 1 upon 2. So I minus 1 upon I upon 2. So I square minus 1 upon 2I. And again I square is minus 1. So minus 1 upon 2I. So minus 1 upon I. This is your solution for this above question, and it will be in the one of the objective options. So I hope you find the basic idea of this iota or small I, and also the concept of this complex number z, how to write this z, and inside z what is a and b. And one more question we will see, very easy question. So x square minus y square minus I 2x plus y equals to 2I. So here we have a basic equation. So now what we will do, we will equate real part once, and after that we will equate imaginary part. So on equating real part, x square minus y square equals to 0. So what we have, x equals to plus minus y. And on equating imaginary part, we have 2x plus y equals to minus 2. So solving these equations, so one solution we will have x equals to minus 2 by 3, y equals to minus 2 by 3, and the other one x equals to minus 2 and y equals to plus 2. So these are the two solutions of this above equations. Okay, so if we will put these values in this above equation, then we will find that both sides we will get equal things. LHS equals to RHS. So this is it, and I am hoping that I will record more and more videos with this small concepts from the examination point of view. So thank you so much.